Hello everyone, this is Kamni and I got vaccinated.
Hello everyone, this is Julie and I got vaccinated.
Hi, my name is Asmin. I got my vaccine.
Hey, this is Abhishek and I got vaccinated. And
Hi, this is Preeti and I got vaccinated.
Hi everyone, my name is Dipanshu and I got vaccinated.
Hey, this is Shalini and I got vaccinated.
Hello everyone, this is Noor and I got vaccinated. Thank you so much.
Hello, myself Sonam. I got vaccinated.
Hello everybody, my name is Amarjeet. I have taken my vaccination.
Hello everyone, I am Najma. I got vaccinated.
Hello friends, I am Rajnish Gupta and I got vaccinated.
Good morning, namaste, adab and sat sri akal to all of you. How are you all? I hope you are safe and fine with your family. This is Shalini Singh and I got vaccinated. Have you also got? Not yet? Oh my god. Are you still in dilemma with vaccination? Are you searching some answers of your questions which is arising in your mind regarding vaccination? Like what is vaccine? What are the benefits of vaccine? Should we take this or not? Is it available for kids? Is it available for 18 plus? Do we have to go online only? Can BP patient, sugar patient, pregnant lady and long disease patient take this vaccine? Should we take Covaxin and Covishield both? Or which one is better than other? Should we take same vaccine in both doses? Don't worry, we are going to clear your all the doubts here. So just have patience and watch this full video. At the last, you will get your all the answers of your questions regarding vaccination.
I'm going to tell you what's the benefits of vaccination. So there are some clear benefits of vaccinated. So first point is the vaccines reduce your risk of infection, and second point it protect us against severe illness, and third point the vaccine is the final step in our effort to get back a more normal way of life, and fourth point the vaccine will help you to reconnect with friends and family, and fifth point it prevents from outbreak epidemics, and sixth point it helps our immune system to recognize a virus, and seventh point after vaccination there are less chances to effects from virus, and eighth point after vaccinated you can go anywhere without any fear, and ninth point once you are fully vaccinated you can do your work more, and it can resume many activities that you did before the pandemic.
I would like to let you know that how a vaccine works in our body. When a person take a vaccine, that vaccine trains the person's immune system to recognize and clear out germs like bacteria and viruses that can cause a serious illness. They strengthen your immune system by training it to recognize and fight against a specific germ such as coronavirus. A vaccine contain either killed or weakened version of virus that causes the disease or a small part of it, such as a protein or a nucleic acid. When you get a vaccine, your immune system recognizes these as foreign. Okay, it responds by creating memory cells and antibodies that protects you against future infection along with this deadly virus, coronavirus. Okay, and one amazing fact about it that I am vaccinated. Yes, I have taken my both the shots and I am healthy in front of you. And I would like to request you people that get yourself vaccinated. If you would like to save yourself, if you would like to save your family, if you care about your family, so yes, get yourself vaccinated, people. Thank you.
As you all know very well, from last many days, we all are clearing your doubts regarding vaccinations. So today I am also going to clear your three doubts which are mostly raised by people. So your first doubt which I hear from many people elder differs a lot. So currently our government is working on this particular case, but at the end of this year there will be vaccine for the kids as well. So don't worry, you need to take vaccines right now, because if you are safe, so your children will obviously safe. So thank you. And now, so yes guys, let's move towards another question which is asked by the people. So it is how we can book our slots. It means how we can approach towards the vaccination center. So before that, let me aware you, we are delivering lots of vaccination towards our neighbor country. So you can imagine how much how much vaccines we have, how much vaccines we produce. So there are lots of, it is sufficient in amount for the people of India. So yes, let's come to the point. So you can go through online as well as offline also. You can book your slot in this way. It depends state to state. So firstly you need to check in your locality whether they are booking it online or offline. So you have to visit nearby vaccination center. But if I talk about online, so there are so many websites available in Google where you can approach. So let's take one which is common. So sir, if you type in your Google Sarkari result, then you have to press on first tab. There you can see the registration for corona vaccines. You will get then after that they will ask from you some kind of information like name, age and the locality which you prefer. So in this way you can register yourself towards vaccination, and for after 2 or 3 days you have to approach there, you have to visit there, then you can easily get vaccinated. So don't worry about this. It is in bulk, everybody can approach it. So please get vaccinated as soon as possible. Don't waste time, because if we all are safe, so our nation will obviously safe. So thank you so much for listening to me. Yes people, let's approach third question also. So many people asked me, is it only available for 18 plus? So yes, it is. Right now it is only available for 18 plus, because many data have clarified that mostly coronavirus is affecting the elders who are more than 18. So there will be vaccination available for children also, but till the end of this year. Right now our government is working on this particular case, as I have told you earlier also. So currently you have to register on online portal, or if it is available online also, so you can approach that one. So you have to get vaccinated as soon as possible, because if we are safe, so our nation will automatically safe. So please.
So yes, there was a question. Difference between Covaxin and Covishield. So both Covaxin and Covishield both are homegrown vaccine. And what is homegrown vaccine means? Homegrown vaccine means both manufacturing is done in India. If I will talk about Covaxin, so Covaxin is fully Indian made. Fully Indian made means its research and manufacture is done in India. It is researched by our scientists, our Indian scientists, and yes, its facility is in Hyderabad and in Bharat Biotech. Yes. If I will talk about like Covishield, so yes, Covishield, its research and development is done in Oxford AstraZeneca, but its like manufacturing is completely done in India, in Pune based Serum Institute. So yes, this is all about differences. But if I will talk about like vaccination, for the purpose of vaccination, both are equally both works equal, and both performance are well. Even it is our said by our scientists, like our government, both are good. Yeah, so which one is better? I think most of people want to know which one is better, so I would take that vaccine. Okay, I will go through that vaccine. So let me clear you down, okay, about the vaccine, which one is better. So first of all, both vaccine like Covishield and Covaxin, both are good, okay. Both got green signal from our health ministry, and even our health ministry has approved these two vaccines for us. And yes, even in upcoming days, I think yes, one more vaccine will be available, like Sputnik is available. Most of the people maybe heard the name of Sputnik vaccine also. So yes, this is not a piece of cloth, and you will think, okay, which one is better? I will go through it. No, it's not like that. It's vaccines. It's work well. Okay, so do not think about that. Okay, and yes, if somebody is saying yes, like Covaxin is better, somebody is saying that Covishield is better. So no, basically you can say like that. Even this is like a statement said by our scientists. There is basically no single test performed by our scientists and related to comparison or related to like which one is better, okay, related to performance. So no, this doesn't happen yet. Maybe in upcoming days, if they want to test, yes, it's okay for them, but till now, no, there is no test has performed by our scientists. So yes, you can take any of vaccine like Covishield or Covaxin. Even I took Covaxin, and my mother and my father goes with Covishield, as Covishield was available at that time. Yeah. So there is no differences between Covaxin and Covishield. Both are perfect. Both are good. Both are they get green signal from our government. Okay, so you can take any of vaccine which is available in your locality. Okay, so do not think about which one. What is the difference between Covaxin and Covishield? Okay.
So let's talk about the next question. So question is that should we take the same vaccine for the next dose? So yes, in India you know very well that in India we have only two types of vaccine. First is Covishield and second is Covaxin. So if you are vaccinated of Covishield, then you must have to take Covishield for your next dose. And if you are vaccinated of Covaxin, then you have to take the second vaccine of Covaxin. So this is the difference between both the vaccine. And if you mix, suppose your first vaccine is of Covishield, and for the second time means for the second dose you are applied for the Covaxin, so somewhere it is harmful for your body as well. So be careful. So next question is that can we take the both doses at the same time? So I have to say that no, absolutely wrong. We cannot take the same vaccine or both the doses at the same time, because government fixed the timing of both the doses. For an example, if you are your first dose is of Covishield, then you have to wait for 3 to 4 months for your next dose, in second dose. And if you are applied for Covaxin, means if you injected for first dose is Covaxin, then you have to wait for 3 to 4 weeks only. After that you can take the second dose. So this is the difference between Covaxin and Covishield. And this is the time duration that in Covishield you have to wait for 3 to 4 months, and if I am talking about the Covaxin, then you have to wait for only for 1 month. So next question is why do I need to take 2 doses of the vaccine? So yeah, we have to take 2 vaccines or 2 doses of the vaccine, because of first dose will help your immune system and also help to prepare your body to fight COVID-19. And why should I take the second dose? So we have to take the second dose because in second dose the body will fully prepare to fight against COVID-19, and also your immune system will work faster than before. So it will also help you a lot.
Now, I am going to show you how can you register yourself for vaccination. For this, simply you have to use your browser. On your browser address bar, enter the URL selfregistration.cowin.in. Enter your mobile number in the Enter Mobile Number field and click on the Get OTP button. You will receive a 6-digit OTP on the same number. Now on the CoWIN portal, you will be taken the OTP verification screen. Enter the 6-digit OTP that you received and click on the Verify button. Once the OTP has been verified, you will be taken to the welcome screen. Once you have registered your mobile number, you can register 3 more members on the same number if required. Let's learn how you can add yourself as a beneficiary and schedule a vaccination appointment from the welcome screen. Click on the register member button. This will take you to register for vaccination screen. On this screen, select the type of photo ID proof from the drop-down button menu that you would like to register. You can use your Aadhaar card, driving license, PAN card, passport, pension passbook, NPR smart card, or your voter ID. Please note that your photo ID will be verified at the same time of your vaccination appointment. Please make sure that you provide the details of photo ID that you will carry for the vaccination. Once you have selected the photo ID proof type from the drop down button menu, enter the relevant ID number in the field below. For example, if you have selected PAN card as your photo ID proof for registration, the form will ask you to enter your PAN card number. Now enter your name, gender, year of birth as it appears on your photo ID proof. If your birth year validates as you are 18 or above than 18, click on the register button to complete the registration process for the beneficiary. An individual register successfully prompt will appear on your screen. This will take you to the account details dashboard where you have added as a beneficiary. To add more members, you can click on the add member button on this screen and follow the same process using your new members' relevant details. Now let's schedule a vaccination. Under your details, you will now be able to schedule an appointment for your first dose. Click on the schedule button and then click on the schedule now pop-up at the bottom. You can also schedule an appointment for more than one member by clicking on the schedule buttons next to their names and then clicking on the schedule now pop-up on schedule now. Please note that to add multiple members for the same dose 2 appointment, the vaccination and dose 1 date for all must be the same. After clicking the schedule now pop-up, you will be taken to the book appointment for vaccination screen. On this screen, you can find the nearest vaccination center by entering your area's PIN code. This will show you a list of vaccination centers that are based in the around your PIN. Alternatively, you can also search vaccination centers by searching district. Here, first select your state, then select your district from the adjoining deep, and then click on search button. This will show you a list of vaccination centers. The vaccination centers PIN code, the minimum is allowed at the vaccination center. The type of vaccination at the cost of vaccination if it is private vaccination center. And the number of vaccination slots currently available. Please note that you won't be able to book an appointment at a vaccination center that doesn't cover. If you try to select that center, the portal will display a message with the minimum age limit for vaccination. Once you have found a suitable vaccination center with available slots on your desired date and vaccination center, click on the button that allows the number of seat availability for the vaccination. This will take you to the time slot selection where you can select a vaccination appointment. Once you have scheduled a time slot, click on the confirm button. Your vaccination appointment has been successfully done. You will be able to see booking information. If you wish to download the appointment slip, click on the download button and save it on your mobile. To go back to your account details dashboard, click on close. If you would like to reschedule, you can click on the reschedule button next to the member's name and change the date and time of the appointment. So now that was the process of booking your slot or getting registered yourself for vaccination. Get yourself vaccinated, save yourself